Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my very first time like I'm speaking English in my vlog. So I don't know because like mostly I'm speaking like Indonesian on my vlog. So all of my friends who is international friends, like they told me I should like talking in English so they will understand. So when they watching my YouTube I said like of course. So here it is, but I'm still like going to mix like between like Indonesian and English as well. So yeah, okay. And then now I'm in Nuuksio. Nuuksio is like what is it called? National Park in Espoo. So it is like beautiful, and here has a lake as well. So I'm going to show you how and how beautiful it is. I mean, like to see. Like I'm not so confident when I'm talking in English, guys. So please forgive me. Okay. So okay guys, normally like you will see like what is the like red direction. So in each route there is like blue, yellow, green and red. So now we took like the red direction because like we tried to find the blue direction, we didn't find it. So yeah. So okay guys, when you come to the Nuuksio National Park, you will find like these three colors of route, which is like direction. So there is yellow, red and blue. So each direction they have like their own route, you know. So today we're going to take like blue route. Okay guys, so just a tip for you when you are coming here in the winter time and you see like the ice on the street, please don't step on it, okay? Because I did fell like 10 minutes ago. If you call me dumb, yes of course, because I was born in the rice field and nice beaches, you know, like in Indonesia. So you know, you understand what I mean, right? Oh my god, but look at this, guys. Look. We're on the top of the hills. So down there it should be lake, you know. My god, it's really beautiful from here.
Few moments later.
Okay guys, I just fell for the second time because of this kind of ice. So guys, when you come here like in the winter, like especially snowing like this, so you guys need to very be careful. Don't step like that kind of ice like me, you know. I just did so twice. So I mean like I'm very dumb. guys, like next to the parking car, there is a couple who's selling like these buns, which is like it's really good because like we've been like walking for the 4 kilometers like in the forest, and then they selling also this hot red wine, something like we call glögi in Finland. So yeah, this is really nice though. And here it is. So this is like the our last lanky or walking in the forest something. So I see you guys in the next vlog, okay? So don't forget like subscribe and shares. All right, I'm sorry for my English guys, because like this is my very first time like I'm doing vlogging with the English language, okay? All right, see you guys, ciao.